Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you've experienced the annoying shaking that comes from having slide outs that are not supported, get a pair of these RV slide out supports from BuyGoe. These are so solid and well built. They are full metal, not just the supports, but also the gears. We love them because you're able to use an impact driver in order to raise them up. And that just made it so much more convenient. However, it does come with a hand crank also. We went ahead and placed the RV supports on pavers so that it gave it more support so it wouldn't sink into the ground. I cannot believe what a huge difference that it has made. I no longer feel like I'm on top of the ocean with every move that someone makes in the RV. I would definitely recommend, if you have multiple slide outs, getting a set for each of your slide outs. These are for use up to 5,000 pounds, and we got the ones that extend up to 48 inches. They lock into place with a bolt underneath the height of wherever it is that you choose. And there's even an anti-shaking net that really helps to cut down on all those vibrations you might be feeling in the RV. As a full-time RVer, these have completely changed my experience of being in an RV. I wish I'd got them 6 years ago. Don't wait another second, get yourself a set. You will not be disappointed. And that's my point of view.